Hello, welcome to Julijetek tutorial. Today we are very happy to be with you in this section. I want to show you how to create video for free using this free AI tool. Please, all what you need to do, you need to just sit down and watch this video to the end and take note of important step we are going to show you so that you understand everything how to create video using this free powerful tool we want to show you. And as a content creator, or maybe you want to promote your business, do you know that you don't have to be familiar with just one free AI? This is free bonus for everybody. You have to be familiar with at least 20 to 30 free powerful AI tools so that you won't stop creating your video for free. That is why we are here. We are always here to give you free tutorials so that it can help you to continue your creative journey. All right, here on our screen, we already prompt our picture, give it a video prompt also. Look at it. The first one down here says, yes, create an image of a cleaning company with the same brand color t-shirts, both men and women, working in a big building with the use of their powerful tools. Now, this ChatGPT give us this picture that we now see here. That is a picture, and people are smiling, working, cleaning the rails. Now, using the picture or see replying to that ChatGPT, you can say this. There is an idea. You can just say, use this picture, give me a video prompt. How this company, yes, this company, this same picture here, this company are cleaning this building professionally. Now ChatGPT now give us this prompt here. You can pause this video and read it through so that if we use this prompt to generate a video, you will see all the details that this prompt actually talks about. Yes, without wasting much of your time, let's head over to these free AI tools. Yes, here on our Chrome, you can just type in PixVerse AI. Yes, this is PixVerse AI. This is their logo. Try to look it very well before you click the link. This is the first link, and this PixVerse AI will give you free video if you want to create. Now, this is the overview. Look at what he said before it's disappear. Look at what he said. Look at. Come back tomorrow for your daily 60 free credit. Yes, if you sign up, you can sign up right away here. If you sign up, they are going to give you 90 credits. After 90 credits, if you exhaust these 90 credits, if you come back tomorrow, you are going to see another 60 credits. So that means they will give you 60 credit daily 60 credits. And this daily 60 credits, it depends on how you use it. There are some features that you can use it only once. There are some features that you can use it only twice. Now, what do I mean? Look at it here. If you click here, you are going to see, here, let me show you. If you click this area, yes, if you click that place, you are going to see 360 resolution, 540 resolution, 720 resolution, and what? 180 resolution. Yes, and this resolution, the more you increase, the more the credit increase. Now, for this first one, you can see that our resolution will consume 25 credits. Now, if you type into 540 resolution, check, it will consume what? 38 credits. So the more you go, the more the credit increases, the more you eat up your credits. Then, and this PixVerse AI, another thing make it to stand out from other AI wall is because it's offer from 60 or from 1 second to 15 second massive. Now, if you tap in this 15 second, that means you have to subscribe to it, because if you use this 15 second, now look at what will happen. Yes, do you see that our credit is 113? Our credit is 113 credits. Now, how many total of credit will they give in a day? 60 credits. So that means you need to subscribe. But if you can use any of them, you see that the credits are changing. I love using 6 seconds here. Then you can change this to 3. Let me just change this to 360 resolution. Now, do you see, if you use this 360 resolution and 6 seconds, it will now give you 30 credits. That means every day you receive 60 credits, and if you use it like this, you can generate 2 videos in a day. That is PixVerse AI for you. Yes, this is free because they give you 60 credits. There are some AI that they will, after you use the first day, you have to subscribe. They will not give you free credits daily. But this one gave you free credits daily. So you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to continue to create your video for free. Now, we have this aspect ratio. We have 9 by 16. Which one do you want to use? Or 16 by 9? Or you can use the rest of them. Yes, and these are the duration of our video. Anyone you choose to use, either you want to subscribe, yeah, it's left for you. All right, let's get back to our business. Here in PixVerse AI, if you can see, if you tap in here, these are the templates. Yes, these are the templates. It will give you a lot of templates that many users has already created. These are the templates. Yes. Now, we will not generate any image. We are just here to show you how to use this free AI for free. Now, this is video mode. We already put it in our video mode. This is video mode, and this is image mode. We also put in this our picture, the picture that we already generated from ChatGTP. This is the picture. We generated it, and then we asked ChatGTP to use this image to give us video prompts. Now ChatGTP, we already copy it to here. This is where we paste our video. Sorry, this is where we paste our prompts. You can paste it there and upload your video. Let me just upload it so that you see how I upload my video. You can just click this, click drag paste. You click it right there, choose your picture that you want to use. Now the picture will upload for some time. Yes, that is it. You can check it's uploading. Now after the picture might have finished uploading, you have to click that picture. You have to click that picture and it will highlight here. This confirm to be highlighted. Then you now click the confirm. Look at what I'm going to do. I click the picture and then I click this confirm. Now the picture has been uploaded and this is our prompt. Yes, we want to generate our video right away and see what it will give us. Remember, it's going to, since we use 60 seconds and we use 360 resolution, look at what our credits will take. Now let's generate. So our video is generating. You can wait for it. We will be right back. All right, our video is ready. Now you can see my credit was 90 credit. Now it has turned to what? 60 credit. That means I can generate 3 video depending on the resolution that I use and depending on the duration that I use. I use 60-second duration and I use 360 resolution. So if you use the highest one, that means you are going to eat up your credit. You only have only once or twice to generate your video. Now this is our video. Let's play our video and see what it has given us. That is the video. Yes, you can delete it if you don't want. You can save it right here, and you can download it to your gallery. Then you can share the video. This is our first video, but we don't want to leave it. Let's still generate picture. We want to generate picture using these prompts. Now we want to go on our picture image mode. Let's go and copy that picture. Can copy this, copy, and paste it. Generate it. Now don't expect it might give you different picture, but it will still be the same picture that we are talking about. Do you see? This is what we mean. Now let's see. This is our picture. Both men and women are in a large building in a company, and they are using powerful tools to do what? To clean. So it's the same thing we are talking about. Nothing changed. And look at the glass. The same thing that you see in the other picture. The other picture. Look at it here. This is the same thing we see. Now, during when you want to download it, let's see, before you get a video of free, watermark free, you have to subscribe to it, as you can see. And if you download, you can download here with watermark. Now the video will be downloaded. To be downloaded, you can send to anybody that you want to send. And this PixVerse AI also has a transition. This is a transition part. Here they say describe the contents frame and the last frame. Maybe you can put your picture right in the first frame, and you can put the end frame, how your video will start and how it will end. You can extend your video right here too. You can extend your video, put in your video, and then describe what you want to extend. You can modify your video right here, and make if you generate any video that has emotion content, you can click here and use a motion control. Now we also have speech. This PixVerse AI can also lip sync for you. And also this sound button, this sound feature, if you upload your video right here. Now describe the sound. Put the example of the sound that you want, whether the sound wave, the hitting show. So you can put the sound, the type of sound. Is it a genetic sound or a jazz sound, or is this smooth sound or something soft sound? You can just describe it in this box here. It will upload for you. Now in this lip sync section, this lip sync feature, if you click that part, it will show you that you can upload your voice. If you do a postcard video, you can upload it here, or any video that you do, upload it inside here. Then record your voice inside here. You can record your voice, then send it. Explore on this PixVerse AI. You are going to love it. It will give to you what you want. Then you can upload your voice and it will lip sync for you. These are many things that PixVerse AI does. Yes, we are here to show you many of these AI. Please continue to watch our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Yes, subscribe to our channel, and also check, you see a description of this video and you see a number anywhere around there. Please send us a message if you want to join our channel or our WhatsApp group, so that you can also get free AI on a daily basis, because weekly we always drop a free AI training on that WhatsApp group. So if you are interested, you can send us a message. Please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our video, so that we can bring to you powerful AI tool just like this in the future. We will be right back in our next class. Thank you for being with us. See you in our next class.